Let's solve question 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy stands some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Here is our key data: the boy's height, the building height, and the working height h, which is 28.5 meters. First, we draw the ground and the 30 meter tower. Point A is the top and point B is at eye level. The boy starts at point D with a 30-degree angle of elevation. As he walks to point C, the angle increases to 60 degrees. We mark the working height h as 28.5, the distance walked as x, and the remaining distance as y. Recall that tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent. We will use the values for 30 and 60 degrees. In triangle ABC, writing the tangent of 60 degrees and substituting values of tan 60 and h, we find that y equals 9.5 root 3 meters using the tangent of 60 degrees. In triangle ABD, using the tangent of 30 degrees, we find the total distance x plus y is 28.5 root 3. By subtracting y from the total, we find the distance walked, x, is 19 root 3 meters.